Welcome students. In this video we will learn about the pinhole camera. The principle of pinhole camera is based on rectilinear propagation of light, that is, light travels in straight line. Let us learn the working and construction of pinhole camera. The image formed by a pinhole camera is inverted and smaller in size when compared to the original object. Pinhole cameras are cheap and simple to make. Making a pinhole camera. Take two rectangular boxes that fit into one another without leaving any gap. Make a small hole in the larger box at the center. On the opposite side of small box, cut from the middle a square of about 5 to 6 centimeter. Cover this opening with tracing paper. Finally, slide the smaller box into the larger box, ensuring that the pinhole and the tracing paper are in a line with one another. Keep a lighted candle at a distance of 50 cm from pinhole camera. Now look at the candle through hole of pinhole camera. You can see the blur and inverted image of a candle on the screen of camera. Slide the smaller box to adjust the focus so that you can capture the clear image of a candle. Let us see what are the observations of the image formed in the pinhole camera. First, image of candle formed is diminished in size. Image of candle formed is inverted. Image of candle formed has color. Let us see how image was formed. A light ray from top of the candle A falls on the tracing paper at A dash after passing through pinhole O. A ray from bottom of candle B falls at B dash. Similarly, rays from the candle fall on the tracing paper after passing through the pinhole. Together, these points of light make up an image of a candle. You can see an inverted image B dash A dash of a candle. So I hope pinhole camera is clear to you. Thanks for watching.